In today's rapidly changing business environment, the Agile project management approach has become increasingly popular. Agile methodology prioritizes customer satisfaction and involves frequent and adaptive delivery of software products. In this video, we'll delve into the basics of Agile project management and how it can positively impact your team and organization. The principles of Agile project management. Agile project management is based on the Agile Manifesto, created in 2001 by a group of software developers. The manifesto emphasizes 4 key values that guide Agile project management, including individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. These values help teams focus on delivering value to customers through an iterative and flexible approach. Benefits of Agile project management: flexibility and adaptability. Agile project management allows teams to be flexible and adaptable in their approach to software development. In a traditional project management approach, a detailed plan is created up front and followed throughout the project. This can be problematic when changes need to be made, as the plan may no longer be relevant. With Agile, the team focuses on delivering small, incremental changes to the product, which allows for adjustments to be made along the way. Collaboration and communication. Agile methodology encourages collaboration and communication within the team. This helps to ensure that everyone is on the same page and working towards the same goal. In an Agile environment, there are daily stand-up meetings where team members can share updates and discuss any issues that need to be addressed. This fosters a culture of teamwork and helps to ensure that everyone is working towards the same goal. Continuous improvement. Agile project management promotes continuous improvement. At the end of each iteration, the team reflects on what went well and what could be improved. This allows the team to identify areas for improvement and make changes as needed. This continuous improvement helps to ensure that the team is always striving to do better and deliver more value to the customer. Customer satisfaction. Agile project management can help to increase customer satisfaction. By focusing on delivering value to the customer in small increments, the team can ensure that the product meets the customer's needs. Additionally, by collaborating with the customer throughout the project, the team can ensure that the customer is happy with the end result. Agile project management is a valuable approach for technology professionals to consider. Its principles of flexibility, collaboration, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction can help teams deliver value to their customers in a fast and efficient manner. By learning the basics of Agile project management, teams can stay ahead of the competition and ensure that their products are meeting the needs of their customers. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at the results. Remember, Agile methodology emphasizes people and interactions over processes and tools, so work with your team to create a positive and supportive environment that fosters collaboration and continuous improvement. What questions do you have about Agile? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.